Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and today we are going to talk about a very important topic, which is hair removal. Especially now after the pandemic, even though the salons have opened up, a lot of us are not very comfortable and it's also not completely safe to go out to the salon and get the treatments done. So today we are going to talk about how we can do laser hair removal at home. And if you're wondering how is that possible, just stay tuned and I'm going to tell you exactly how. So the product I'm talking about is called Smooth Skin Bare and this is how it looks. And I've been using this product since last 2 weeks and I absolutely love the results, and I decided why not share this video with you guys so that you can also benefit from this product. So in this video I'm going to talk about this product in detail and I'm also going to show you how to use this product. Smooth Skin Bare uses IPL technology, which stands for Intense Pulse Light, and in this technology the device emits light energy which is absorbed by the skin, and once it is absorbed by the skin it is converted into heat energy. This heat energy breaks the hair growth cycle and prevents the hair from growing back. So the product comes in this box and I think the packaging is quite luxurious. So this is how you open it. So this is how the product looks, and this is the main device which emits the light energy from here, and here is the activation button. I'm going to show you how to use it, so I will be explaining it in detail. And this comes with an adapter, and then we have this plug, so we can connect this to the adapter and then we can connect it to the power supply. Other than that, we have this user guide which comes along with the product, and it has all the details about the product and the technology used by it. So before I go ahead and show you how to use this product, I would like to tell you that you should not expect your hair to disappear just after using this product once, because hair grows in different cycles, and to break all the cycles you need to keep using this product repeatedly. I am using this product once in a week, and you can decide how often you want to use it based on your hair growth. And this treatment is not painful at all. You just feel a little tingling sensation when you flash the device on the skin. That's because the heat energy which is being absorbed by the skin, and that feeling is nothing compared to the pain you feel when you go for waxing. So now I'm going to show you how to use this product. Before using the product, you have to make sure that the area where you are going to use it has to be shaved. You can use any normal razor to shave the area. I use this one. You can just apply some body wash or soap and just shave it in the opposite direction of the hair growth. And that's it. Your skin is ready for the treatment. So once the area is ready for the treatment, you can take the device and plug it in the power supply and place it on the skin and press the activation button like this, and the device flashes. There's also a sensor here which is going to sense whether it is placed on the skin. So if you just press the activation button anywhere else, it is not going to flash. Only when it is placed on the skin it will sense the skin, and when you press the activation button it will flash and it releases the light energy which is absorbed by the skin. So you can either use the stamp method, which is you place it here and then press the activation button and then place it again. Otherwise you can use the glide method, wherein you have to press the activation button and you just glide it on your skin. So this is how you use this product. It's super easy, not messy at all like other hair removal methods, and I think it's a great thing for long term that the hair does not grow back. So now I'm going to show you how I have been doing this treatment on myself for the last 2 weeks. So as I told you, before starting with the treatment, first you have to shave the area which you are going to treat. So we'll start with shaving. So I'm going to use some aloe vera gel for shaving. So as you can see here, I've taken some aloe vera gel. I'm going to spread it over the area that I'm going to shave. So I'm basically using it as a shaving gel. Now I'm going to take this razor and shave it in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So you have to make sure you shave all the visible hairs. So once you are done shaving, you can just clean it with a towel and make sure that the area is dry before you start with the treatment. So I have plugged in the device, and as you can see, there's this light coming from the device which tells me that the device is on. So now the device is on and I'm going to place it firmly on my skin that I just shaved. and when the white light comes, that means the device is ready to flash. Now I'm just going to press the activation button. Talking about the price of the product, it retails for around 20,000 rupees, and I understand that it's a bit on the expensive side, but it's a really good deal, and I would ask you to invest in such a product because you can use it for long term and you can use it at the comfort of your home. And even if you go for laser hair removal treatment in the clinic, you will have to pay so much because there'll be many sessions until the hair cycle growth breaks completely. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, please feel free to comment down below and I would love to get in touch with you. Thank you.